2018 was an absolutely fantastic year in terms of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin rose to $100,000, Ethereum $10,000. And wouldn't that be an awesome headline right there? That caught your attention, right? First of all, they're like, wait, it's 2017. What are you talking about? It's 2018. No, it's 2018 right now, even though I'm going to upload this video probably like today on Christmas, because that is the mindset that you have to have already for this. So let's chat about cryptocurrencies, where they're going to go in 2018, the mindset you need to have in order to be successful, and happy holidays from the Kubera family, even though this is Buddha, but yeah, and it's just myself. Let's get into it. Bitcoin's price may go up to $100,000 or it may drop down to $1,000, but I want you to keep something in mind. Regardless of what's going on in this ever-expanding, just constantly changing landscape, right before our very own eyes, we see everything advancing. The future is here. It's now. It's knocking at your door on Christmas and it's saying, hello, Internet 2.0, what's up? Boom! Intangible coins are the latest craze. Everybody wants to get into them. However, forget about speculation. Forget about your emotions and what the price of Bitcoin is for a second. I want you to look at one thing going into 2018. I already have the mindset that it's here. I want you to understand this, that regardless of what's going on in the atmosphere where cryptocurrencies are battling out each other, people are choosing sides, you're trying to find out what the current price of Bitcoin is and whether it will be a $5,000 gain next month or a $2,000 loss, and should you buy Ethereum? How do you get your Lamborghinis, Louis Vuitton, and Rolexes? Nobody knows the true value of Bitcoin. I mean, even when we're looking at the current prices, they're constantly changing. Every exchange has different numbers being displayed on the screen. Some people are selling 10% above, some are selling under, some want to get rid of a lot, some want to purchase a bunch. You are there watching this video right now because most likely you want to make money off of Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, and you're curious about what will happen over the next couple of weeks, months, years, where the price will go. You want to speculate. You are looking for the answers, and there is no solid answer. I want you to forget about emotions, and I want you to forget about the speculation. I want you to leave that today at the door and just examine what's been currently going on. The facts. The market cap has doubled, it's tripled, it's quadrupled itself so many times over and over and over again. There's so many new hedge funds and exchanges and investors and countries and governments and banks and companies that have been affected thanks to Bitcoin's meteoric rise in 2017. Today, the price of Bitcoin may be above $14,000. Tomorrow, it may be $15,000 or $12,000. And then the day after that, it may have another 5% increase or decrease. No matter what the price is, people will still be working on it. People want to advance this blockchain technology because they understand that it will revolutionize the world. It is the next thing. People are freaking out because, oh no, it fell from 18,000 to 13,000. That is a fantastic Christmas sale right there. When it falls from actually $19,000 on certain exchanges where it was trading. So that was like the peak. But really, it fell from like 18. So it falls from 18 to 11 to 13,000, even 10,500 for a slight little moment there on Coinbase. Somebody purchased that, and boom, it spiked the price up a little bit more. And this is absolutely normal. If we look at the past couple of months, past couple of years with cryptocurrencies, these things happen in waves, and this is exactly what's currently going on. What comes up must come down, and there's different fluctuations. So there's bear markets, there's bull markets, and regardless of what's going on with the environment, you have to take a step back sometimes and realize that it's not just about speculation and throwing your money in on something, hoping for it to rise rather quickly. That can happen, fantastic. If you make profit off of that, cool, take it out, reinvest into some other things plus Bitcoin, and see where it takes you. You know, maybe hold or start a Bitcoin company or do whatever it is else you want to do. Get paid in cryptocurrencies. As long as you have your interest in it, you're sharing to other people in the community. You are helping the movement or whatever else you want to call it, right? It's just really logical thinking when you have your money invested in cryptocurrencies and you want other people to invest in cryptocurrencies because that little seed of thought helps expand all the horizons, and opportunities will come out of nowhere in 2018. All right, so this is only the third time I'm recording this due to Canon's corrupted files. Anyways, let's keep the excitement down. Remember, guys, we can't get too emotional about this. So as we continue into 2018, I just want you guys to remember the basics. First of all, when you receive Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies, make sure to get a cold storage wallet, which, speaking of that, I still need to pick up my ledger because over Christmas it was lost. Not really, I mean, it's somewhere here in Poland, which is a pretty nice rough estimate. Anyways, I might unbox that, or no, I probably won't. So, but I got it. You should check those things out, or Trezor, because they're pretty cool. And if you can't, well, storing on an exchange isn't the smartest option as well. Diversify into multiple exchanges, so in case one falls down, you can go to the next one. And same with cryptocurrencies. Diversify those. Don't invest with money you can't afford to lose. Don't steal from the bank. Well, you probably shouldn't steal anyways, although the guys who support Bitcoin would probably be like, okay with that. But anyways, take money that you earn from your low-risk business, whether you work for somebody or it's your own. Take that, put it into high risk, boom, you are Gucci to go. And then once you have that, do your research, you know, blah, 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 blah. The newbie, beginner, basics. So, what am I going to leave you with on this video? It's simple. We are the next generation, and we have to think about what the ones after us will be doing. We want the whole world to be full of cryptocurrency technology because this is Internet 2.0. What will Internet 3.0 be? Or maybe there's going to be some crazy, like there's already the Internet of Things, right? We're sending people off to Mars. There's nootropics. There's virtual reality. There's augmented reality. As Gary Vaynerchuk said, crypto and AR are on the beach right now. Yeah, that's right. We're on the beach. So we're at the forefront of technology. I'm very excited to be in this industry. You know what I meant. It's 6 in the morning. 6 in the morning. 7, actually, no. Thanks. Yeah, it's 7:10 in the morning. It's late. So, good morning, good night. I'm going to peace out. If you are investing in cryptocurrencies, there's just one thing to be thinking about. Go for the long term. Like, look at the long term as in, like, the next generation after us. Because if people are working constantly on these Bitcoins, I feel like a grandpa would say that. They're mining. Oh, they're slaving away. They still will be mining for the next couple of years. And even after that ends, there will be dividends paid out and all that. Sure, the network is bogged down. The transactional fees are high. Some people are paying as much as a couple $100s. But these are things that will be fixed. And even if it's not, even if Bitcoin falls and Ethereum takes its place or Dash or any of the other cryptocurrencies, there is no competition, there's only the opposition. So let's try and get as many people onto our movement as possible. Let's improve it. Let's focus on the technology and what problems we can solve and what we will be able to fix. I am very excited to be a part of this. Hopefully you are too. And if so, maybe invest a little bit here, a little bit there. And if you don't want to invest, that's cool too. But right now I'm just saying it's pretty cool to buy. If you have some limit orders, buy at 12, buy at 13, 14, 15, 16. Because if it reaches 20, cool. And even if it falls down to 10, you're still able to profit a little bit by selling it on local Bitcoins or Paxful for an extra 10 to 15%. I'm just saying. Anyways, my name is Michael Cabrera. Thanks so much for watching.